Most people think they're bad with money. They're not. Your brain is literally wired against saving. Here's the psychology behind it. Your brain releases dopamine when you spend money. Every purchase is a tiny hit of pleasure. Saving gives you nothing today, and your brain hates that. Psychologists found that losing $100 hurts twice as much as gaining $100 feels good. This is why cutting expenses feels painful even when you know it's right. The only way to beat your own brain is to remove the decision entirely. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck arrives. You can't spend what you never see. Follow for more money psychology tips every week.